Spicy chicken
first.
with jalapeno.
Ooh, with jalapeno, that much jalapeno. Wow. It looks spicy.
Oh my god.
It's super spicy.
It's incredible. No, not too spicy.
No?
Very creamy. Mmm. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. Today I am so excited because my father and I stumbled across an Indian street food truck here in Miami. This is amazing. Indian Gate Street Food Restaurant in Coconut Grove on 37th Avenue and US 1. They have so many delicious Indian street food dishes. Pani, puri, they have samosas, but they also have like biryani, they have dosas.
Butter chicken.
Butter chicken, obviously your favorite. And it's named after the Indian Gate in Delhi, which is a memorial dedicated to the 70,000 British Indian soldiers who died in World War I. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, we're going inside the kitchen. We're gonna talk to Alam, the owner. He's from Bihar.
We are going to make some food, some Indian street food, like noodles, roll, the Kolkata special roll. We have Kolkata special roll, like a chicken tikka roll. We make street food noodles, like Szechuan noodles, right?
So if you guys don't know, Kolkata was basically the city that invented Indo-Chinese food. So they have a lot of noodles, they have momos. I'm excited. So he's making a chicken tikka roll, which is like a wrap. Nice. Kathi roll. So basically this is like a chicken tikka kathi roll. Kathi roll is like the most famous roll in Kolkata. I had it at Nizam's, which is the original, but this is gonna be bomb. Kathi roll in Miami. So he's making the shrimp biryani. First he threw some oil, mint. Nice, dude. Smells amazing, the aroma.
It's a homemade biryani masala I put over there. It's a onion sauce.
So he just added some rose water and then some more mint on top, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Can't get any more delicious than this. I mean, this alone without the rice, amazing. But then you add the rice, nice combination.
Yeah.
Super delicious masala shrimp biryani. So he added some rice, then he added ghee.
Saffron color. Saffron. Saffron color. I will make it dum for maybe 1 minute.
So that's how you make it dum? You just add another pan on top?
Yeah.
Then you make it dum biryani.
Yeah.
I've never seen like this. I've seen them make dum biryani in Kerala.
Yeah.
Huge pots for 4 hours heat.
Yeah.
The reason this biryani is like this is because obviously in the bottom you have the shrimp masala layer, then you have the rice, and then you just combine it together. It's delicious.
The biryani is ready.
Yeah, you get really close. Oh my god, that smell. That smell is just absolutely incredible.
The biryani is ready. Now it will go here. I will add some salad.
First what you're doing is cooking the dough, right? Then you add 2 eggs on top. Once it's crispy, you're gonna add all the ingredients and roll it, right?
Yeah.
Similar to the kathi roll.
Yeah.
Very similar. I think for me, what's the most similar thing is they added the egg. Because sometimes you get it with no egg. This one has egg.
Yeah, that one is vegetarian.
That's the other one's vegetarian.
Yeah.
This is not.
This is the non-veg.
So it's bell pepper, jalapeno, tomato, chicken, butter, ginger, garlic. I mean, a variety of different tastes, flavors, some spiciness to it.
Ready.
And that's the plate?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna try these 3 first. What a heat wave. Next up we have the shrimp dum biryani. What? Look at this. Love it. Look, it looks incredible. I mean, the way he did it is so different. I've never seen it done like that.
Can I try this?
Try it. This is outstanding. I love the mint, saffron. Oh, wow.
And the shrimp?
Shrimp.
But I guess the shrimp is with the hand.
God loves biryani, man.
Amazing.
It's very different with the shrimp. Look at the size of these shrimp. So big. Love the flavors they're putting into this. And what I like is that they have a huge variety. It's not just like Northern Indian cuisine. It's like Southern, it's Northeastern, it's North, it's South. No, get in here and grab all the shrimp.
Yeah, right?
Besides,
It's so good.
besides like dosas and pani puri, for me, it's the biryanis.
Let me tell you, this is one of the best biryanis I ever had.
No?
Since we started, yeah.
And there's so many shrimp in here. I think you put like 9-10 shrimp.
Lots of shrimp, lots of mint, I believe.
Lots of
Cucumber. I mean, it's super, it's very tasty, but it's not that hot. I mean, it's hot, but not.
No, a nice curry. Nice curry. Love the masala. This is awesome. I'll tell you guys, like my dad said, one of the best biryanis ever.
Best biryanis ever.
Outside of India, I think it's one of the best biryanis I've ever had. Oh, love the seafood aspect. So you want me to try the yogurt?
Absolutely, it's
yeah?
super. It's very unique.
Oh, love the raita. Man, so what do you have in here? Peppers?
It's unique. It's very unique.
It's crunchy. There's tomato, there's pepper. So carrot, onions, tomatoes, jalapeno. Amazing spicy raita.
I love it. So unique. So much flavor.
Friend, what's the next dish?
The next dish is murg do pyaja.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Look at this thing. Okay, Dad. This is gonna be a tough one. But we're just gonna eat it straight
The
from here.
spoon is easier, no?
Yeah, it's fine. It's just chicken. Remember?
Okay.
Just dive in. Spicy chicken
first.
with jalapeno.
With jalapeno, that much jalapeno. Wow. It looks spicy.
Oh my God.
It's super spicy.
It's incredible. No, not too spicy.
No?
Very creamy. Wow. It's a super creamy chicken dish. Lots of vegetables here, and then a little bit of spice. I mean, jalapeno gives it a nice kick.
Time to dig in. I think the more we're in the street, the better the food is, you know? Incredible.
It's so creamy. I think this needs naan though. You got a piece of naan in here with this.
Right?
This is some real good Indian street food. Like, I am blown away. And I've had a lot of Indian street food in India, around the world, but this is like, this guy's doing an amazing job. And this is it, the chicken tikka roll. Look at this. Bite.
Bite because the fly wants to eat it too. It's good. Super good, I imagine.
Yeah, man. You have onions, you have carrots.
Looks amazing. I bet you it tastes just as good or better.
Oh, it's got a sweet and sour sauce in there. So if you guys haven't been to Kolkata, they have a huge like Indo-Chinese community, right? A lot of Chinese and Indians up there have mixed and made this like amazing cuisine. And this was invented there. So it's like basically paratha, egg, chicken tikka, which is boneless chicken that's been cooked in tandoor. And then they mix it with a few different, you know, vegetables.
I usually
Onions, carrots.
use amazing, but this is beyond amazing.
It is beyond amazing, and I love it because this is real like Indian street food. We're on the street of Miami, US 1, which is the main highway right here, and we're eating this food. I love this. What an amazing roll.
I think we should give it a break, no? And try something else. You want to keep going?
One last bite. What are you making?
I'm making chicken noodles.
Chicken noodles, Indo-Chinese dish.
have homemade samosa. Then we put into fryer. I am going to make chana masala for samosa chaat. Oil, some ginger, jalapenos, tomato, chana masala, chickpeas here.
I mean, this is like a bomb chat. This chat's gonna be amazing. And then what he does is he deconstructs the samosa inside it after,
Yeah.
right? So he makes this like delicious chickpea masala, you know, curry, and then he breaks it up together. This is one of my favorite things to eat on the streets of India. So good, so delicious. Love the chickpeas. I've never seen my jalapenos, so it's gonna be a little spicier.
Now I will take the samosa, then I chop it.
We're also gonna try some chicken noodles.
Chili garlic, chicken chili garlic noodle. That one is chili garlic sauce and a little bit ketchup.
And here we go. Spicy samosa chaat and spicy chicken noodles. Nah, this is gonna be epic.
Can't wait to try this. This food, all of it is amazing. It's like unbelievable.
And here we have the amazing chaat. This is samosa chaat. Wow. This is gonna be so delicious. Chickpeas, you got mint chutney, you have tamarind chutney, so it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be spicy. And you have a veg samosa inside. So basically it's aloo, potato samosa. All right, Dad, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Jump in, Jump in, let's go.
Amazing. The mint, wow.
Whoa,
Look at all this mint.
Look at that.
This guy really knows how to cook. I'm telling you.
No, this
guy
like,
could have a 5-star restaurant anywhere in the world.
It's just like every single dish is like cooked at home in India, you know?
But it's so fresh and so, it's an explosion of flavors. The mint chutney just gives it a kick, you know?
Yeah, I mean, between the mint chutney, the tamarind chutney, the jalapeno.
And it's not spicy at all.
It's not. The jalapeno just gives it a tiny kick. It's bomb. Bomb dish.
This is a vegetarian dish, but I never knew vegetarian could be so good.
Every dish you have
Everything
served
you
us
touch has talent.
it's the ingredients.
It's the talent.
I know.
It's both. You have to close your eyes to enjoy it.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have one last bite of this one because we still have noodles.
Me too, I'm gonna have one last bite. Can I have one more last bite?
Right here we have the spicy chicken noodles. Woo! Woo! They're gonna be hot. Look at it, it's just red. So?
Yeah. I can smell it. I can smell it from here.
It has some spice. Some spice. It has this like delicious Chinese taste to it, you know? It's spicy, dude.
Not spicy yet. Woo! But it's a spice that you want to keep going, you know?
Yeah.
It's spicy enough to have you hooked.
Another amazing dish. This one, obviously the twist is, this is more like Kolkata style, right? You have the crunchiness of the carrots, the green pepper, and the onion. Super, super spicy sauce. I don't know what they put in there, I forgot the name of it. What was the sauce they put in? The spicy one?
Chili garlic sauce.
Chili garlic, okay, that's why.
Can I eat? Do I have permission?
satisfying, but definitely on the spicier side. I'd say this is like a spice level of a 7 or 8. Everything else wasn't so spicy. This is like really hot. He has a lot of different noodles. How many other noodles? You have like 5?
We have 7 here.
7 noodles. So is this the spiciest one?
Yeah, that one is the spicy.
This is the spiciest of the spice here.
I can tell.
Oh.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. It cuts the heat. It's perfect for the heat. Not only the heat outside, the heat from the food.
In case you guys haven't tried Lassi, it's basically like a yogurt drink. You have it in northern India because you kill the heat with it. You know, right after a meal, doesn't matter what time it is, lunch, dinner, have some Lassi. Obviously we have a mango Lassi because we're in Miami, mango season, and mango is the fruit of India. Wow. Alright, he's saying
I'm sure
it's
it
the
is.
best rice pudding in Miami. And look at this, it has grapes on top.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll try that. Woo!
Wow.
This almost is like rasgulla. It's like very similar taste to rasgulla. So it's rice pudding, but you don't have big chunks of grainy rice. You have like small particles.
It's like a mashed potato of rice pudding, basically.
Hey, you might be right. It might be the best rice pudding in Miami.
I'm sure it is.
I don't know. Latin Americans also make rice pudding, but theirs usually has a lot of rice. Like, you get like the big chunks of rice.
Yeah. This is a perfect dessert for a spicy, hot, furious food.
Especially with this heat. Oh my God. And that's it, guys. We ate all that food, but there's still one more dish I gotta film. It's the butter chicken. I'm not gonna eat it here. I'm gonna take it home to my wife. She loves it, and it's the #1 selling dish in most Indian restaurants in America. Let's go inside and let's see how they make some butter chicken.
We have tandoori chicken here. This butter chicken, no color. They in Miami, in anywhere if you go, they put color, but we not use color.
So that's it. He finished the butter chicken, and they're also making over here garlic naan. So they get the garlic, put it on top of the naan, and then he puts it in the tandoor. That was one of the best Indian meals I've ever had outside of India. So freaking good. Indian street food here in Miami. Indian street food truck right here in Coconut Grove, 37th Avenue, US 1, literally on South Dixie Highway. Dad, what was your favorite dish?
I love the noodles.
I think the #1 was shrimp biryani. #2, I love the chicken. I forgot the name of how you said chicken, but the chicken was the spice. It was a creamy
Piaja chicken.
yeah, whatever it was. I think that needed some naan though. And then also like that roll. I mean, every single dish was awesome. Noodles were super spicy. The rice pudding, phenomenal rice pudding. And that is Indian Gate street food here in Miami. And guys, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in
Miami.